Good day, everyone. I'd like to share a much criticized action I made, which eventually turned into a lesson instrumental to my success, was when I stepped down as the institutional head of our CES office, or known as the Mother Ignacia Center for Social Responsibility coordinator. This started my very young career as an administrator way back 2010 to 2013. I was then 22 when I became an institutional administrator, directly reporting to the president. Why was it a criticized action on my part? Since many would want that position more than myself. In fact, I did not even want to be placed in the administration, but lo and behold, the former head who was previously connected with LaSalle University Ozames as the president and now as a visiting brother of the school in Indonesia recommended me to replace him as the head as he will enter her formation to LaSalle brother. The nature of the office takes care of all the extension or community activities of the institution, from basic education department up to the higher education department. My former assignment also spearheads the development of management of partnerships, GOs and NGOs alike. Essentially, the center forms part of the threefold functions of an institution as it belongs to the extension, uh, services. During my time as a chef for the office, I always include to the community the value of R2R, or from requirement to responsibility. It is a controversial value formation that time, since majority of my colleagues would only treat CAS activities as a not so important activity merely for clearance purposes. All the while, major activities focus merely or mostly in instruction. I believe during my time I had shepherded the office well, and it paved the way for me to finish my master's studies in Xavier University Ateneo de Cagayan and finish the degree of Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, under the IDEA program, or the Institute of the Development for Educational Administrators. I am totally grateful to the former president who sent me to IDEA and allowed me to finish my schooling in Ateneo. Perhaps it is one of the many success stories of my life as a teacher and a young administrator.